Welcome back to my channel. In the last episode, we learned how to identify duplicates in our customer datasets using Python and Pandas. Today, we'll go further. We'll learn how to remove duplicates in our customer datasets using Python and Pandas. Duplicate data can cause incorrect analysis results, inaccurate customer accounts, and repeated transactions. So, however, in this video, we'll learn how to remove duplicates in our customer datasets. If you know you have not watched the previous video on how to identify duplicates in our customer datasets and how to prepare your Jupyter Notebook and how to handle missing value in our customer dataset, check the previous video, and also do well to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. So we'll use this Python function drop/duplicates function to clean our dataset. So by default, Pandas keep the first occurrence of each duplicate and drop the rest. What does it mean? It means that this Python function will check for any duplicates and it will remove it, and it will keep a unique value in our dataset. So now let's quickly get started to clean our dataset and remove duplicate record using Python and Pandas. So let's create a variable data/clean equals to our data dot drop / duplicates. Boom. So this function remove our duplicates in our dataset. So now we can now confirm if our dataset is clean or not using this our .duplicated.sum function. So our data/clean dot duplicated dot sum. Run our code. Boom. We notice now we have our 0. Perfect. It returns 0. All duplicate record has been successfully removed. So this Python function .duplicated.sum, it helps to check if there's duplicates in our customer dataset. In the previous video, we noticed that we have 5 duplicates in our customer dataset, but with the help of the drop function, we're able to remove duplicates there. And here now we confirm that our dataset is clean and there is no duplicate in our dataset. So now let us see the number of rows that has been slightly removed, and let us see the difference between our initial dataset and our clean dataset. So print before cleaning our dataset. This is our dataset is. This is our shape. To get our shape of our previous dataset, then print our clean dataset. So we have it stored in a variable data/cleaned dot shape. Shape is a Python function that helps us to know the number of rows and columns that we have in our dataset. So let us quickly check the difference between our previous dataset and our clean dataset. Boom. We notice now before cleaning we have 205, that is 205 rows and 7 columns. Then after we clean our dataset, that will remove duplicates in our dataset. Our dataset now is 200 rows and 7 columns. So you see that the numbers of the rows has slightly be reduced because duplicate was removed in our dataset. So in this video, you learn how to remove duplicates in our customer dataset, and this is the best practice because if you want to carry out analysis and carry out prediction using Python or even machine learning, you need to do this process. You need to remove duplicates in your data set. Much for watching, and also do well to like, comment and subscribe my video. And if you know you have not watched the previous video on how to identify duplicates in data sets, check the comment below. And also, if you know you have not watched the previous video on how to handle missing value, check my previous video. Everything is there. So do well to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.